one pill a day can improve your brain function, can improve your skin texture, improve your muscle recovery, even boost your brain. It's actually a natural product. Your level of this molecule drops sharply as you age. That's one of the biggest reasons you feel more tired and show signs of aging. And what is this molecule? It's called NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. अब बात करते हैं इसके पीछे की साइंस क्या है. NMN is a direct precursor to NAD+, a molecule every cell in your body needs to survive. NAD+ is like a battery charge inside your cell. Without it, your mitochondria stop working completely. By the middle age, your NAD+ levels have dropped by more than 50%. This decline is linked to fatigue, wrinkle, poor memory, muscle loss, and increased risk of age-related diseases like dementia, hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, osteoporosis, Parkinson's. What are the research and proof about these facts? A landmark study from Harvard Medical School by Dr. David Sinclair Lab, which came in Cell magazine in 2013, showed that boosting NAD+ levels with NMN reverses the sign aging in mice within just 1 week. Their muscles, metabolism, and energy looked like they were young again. Another clinical trial published in Nature Aging in 2022 demonstrated that NMN supplementation in human improved muscle insulin sensitivity, reduced fatigue, and increase aerobic capacity, means increase the exercises capability of the muscles, is more energy and less aging. In one more research in Aging Cell magazine in 2019, research found that NMN improved vascular health and essentially reverses age-related blood vessels dysfunction. Why you need it daily? Remember, unlike some supplements you can take once in a while, NMN needs to be taken daily because NAD+ is constantly being consumed by your cell. NMN is safe, well tolerated, and backed by solid science. That's why at Reverse Clinic, dual certified NMN supplement to help you maintain high NAD+ level, slow aging, and keep your brain, heart, muscles, and skin young and resilient. So, if you are tired of feeling tired, if you want to boost your metabolism and reverse aging in a more efficient way, then you can combine the NMN with some of the powerful antioxidants. The longevity pack or Reverse Clinic, in which we give NMN with ALA and quercetin bromide. So ALA and quercetin are the two powerful antioxidants which works in synergistic with NMN to reduces all the age-related diseases